Hi, good morning. Welcome to Kmat coaching session number 1, data sufficiency. Let's look into the questions. So some informations will be given and two statements will be given along with that. You want to decide whether the data provided in the statement are sufficient to answer the questions. So you read both statements and give the answers. Option A is if the data in statement 1 alone is sufficient to answer the questions, then option A is the correct answer. If data in statement 2 alone is sufficient to answer the question, then option B is the correct answer. If the data in statement 1 or statement 2 alone is sufficient to answer the question, then option C is the correct answer. If data in both statements 1 and 2 are not sufficient to answer the questions, then option D is the correct answer. If data in statement 1 and 2 together are necessary to answer the questions, then option E is the correct answer. So keep this point in your mind. Options. Let's look into the questions now. What was the age of Arun? First statement is Arun is younger to Suresh. Suresh and Hema are twins. These are the two statements given in the question. You want to find out whether this answer will be available from the first statement and second statement. Check it out. Arun is younger to Suresh. The question is, what was the age of Arun? Do you get the age of Arun from the first statement? Age is not at all mentioning in the first statement. Suresh and Hema are twins. This statement is not related to Arun. So that's a immaterial statement. So what is the option? Check out that. Option D is the correct answer. First statement and second statement both are immaterial statements for giving the answer. So option D is the correct answer. Check out the each and every options very clearly. Then next question. What is the code for blue? Statements are given. The code for sky is blue is SCRAGH. The code for sky is dark is HJSCRA. This is the information given in the question. Let's look into that. So sky is, what is the code for sky is? So in both of these statements, it's coming skies. So what is the code for skies that you want to identify? The code for skies is SCRA. That is the code for skies in the first statement. The code for skies in the second statement, you know that again in this the code is repeating SCRA. So you understood that the code for sky is SCRA. And the code for blue is given in the first statement, that is GH. And the code for dark is given, that is HJ. That is the code for dark. So what you want to understand, the code for blue. So you need both of these statements to get the answer for this question. So which option is the correct one? Option E is the correct one. Both statements are needed to answer the question. So option E is the correct answer. Okay. Let's look into the next question. Malar, Kayal, Renu and Farsana are sitting in a row. Find who is sitting left to Kayal. Let's look into the statements. Malar is between Farsana and Renu. Kayal is to the right of Renu. The question is, find who is sitting left to Kayal. So first statement is immaterial, it's not valid. So Kayal's name is not coming in this particular statement. So that's not needed. Then second statement mentioning that Kayal is to the right of Renu. Kayal is to the right of Renu and find who is sitting left to Kayal. Definitely you know that Renu is sitting left to the Kyle. So second statement is needed to answer this question. So which option is the correct one? Option B is the correct answer. Only second statement is needed or sufficient to answer the question. Then option B is the correct answer. Then the fourth question. Let's look into that. In which year was Rahul born? Two statements are given. First statement. Rahul at present is 25 years younger to his mother. Second statement is Rahul's brother, who was born in 1964, is 35 years younger to his mother. These are the two statements given. So you know that Rahul's age, because mother's age is 50 and 25 years younger, that's Rahul's age. That means mother's age is 50, Rahul's age is 25. And Rahul's brother, who was born in 1964, is 35 years younger to his mother. So you know that if mother's age is 50, then 50 minus 35, so 15 years, that is Rahul's brother's age. And Rahul's brother was born in 1964. So Rahul is 10 years older than Rahul's brother. So you know that when Rahul will born. So that's the answer. You will get the answer to this question from both of these statements. So both statements are needed for answering the question. So option E is the correct answer. Option E is the correct answer. And when Rahul born, you know that Rahul was born in 1954. You can do the calculation and check it out. The next question. What will be the total weight of 10 poles, each of the same weight? So two statements are given. 1/4 of the weight of each pole is 5 kg. Second statement. Total weight of 3 poles is 20 kilograms more than the total weight of 2 poles. This is the second statement. So from first statement, can you find out the weight? Check it out. First statement, weight of each pole is 5 kg and 1/4 of the weight. So you know that 4 into 5 equals 20 kg. 20 kg is the weight of each pole. You will get it from this statement. And 20 kg into 10 poles, you will get the total weight. Definitely that is 200 kg. You will get the answer very clearly from the first statement. Second statement tells that 3 poles, total weight of 3 poles is 20 kilogram. So you know that 3 into 20 equals 60. It is more than total weight of 2 poles. That is 2 into 20 equals 40. So 60 minus 40 equals 20. 20 kg, the weight of each pole you will get. Then 20 kg into 10 poles, you will get definitely 200 kg. So you will get the answer from first question or second question. So both statements are not needed. Either the first statement or the second statement is needed to answer the question. So option C is the correct answer. Let's check it out. What is option C? Option C tells that either the first statement or the second statement is needed to answer the question. Then option C is the correct answer. So here option C is the correct answer. Let's check out the next question. How many children does M have? H is the only daughter of X, who is wife of M. That's the first statement. K and J are brothers of M. That is second statement. From first statement, you can conclude that H is the daughter of M. That you can easily understood from the first statement. But this statement does not indicate that whether M has no son. Daughter and son is possible, but it does not indicate about son. So, second information or second statement, K and J are brothers of M. It does not tell us about children, it tells about brothers. So, this statement is, second statement is immaterial. And first statement does not mentioning about son. So first statement is immaterial. Second statement is also immaterial. So option D is the correct answer. Both statements are not sufficient to answer the question. So option D is the correct answer. Then last question. How much was the total sale of the company? Two statements are given. Company sold 8,000 units of product A, each costing rupees 25. Second statement. Company has no other product line. From first statement, you will get the total sales. 8,000 into 25, you will get the answer 2 lakh rupees. And second statement is also supporting it. There is no other product means there is total sales of 2 lakh rupees in that company. So first statement and second statement are needed to answer this question. So option E is the correct answer for this question. So you got all these informations. Check out each and every option. What is the meaning of option A? What is the meaning of option B, C, D and E respectively? Check out that. Then you find out the answer to each questions. Okay, I think you understood that. Thank you.